Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how I make stewed chicken. So let's get started with this new recipe. So the first thing I did was I washed my chicken, then I seasoned it and let it marinate overnight. I will list the seasonings used here to marinate the chicken in the description box down below for you guys so you can check it out there. But of course you can use a blend of your favorite seasonings, and yeah, so some of the other things you're gonna need is some sliced carrots, a few tablespoons of ketchup, and of course oil, just a little bit to coat the bottom of the pot. So once your pot is hot, you're gonna add the oil, and once your oil is hot, you're gonna start adding the tablespoons of sugar. Then we're gonna wait for the sugar to start caramelizing and turning this brown color. And once the sugar have caramelized to the color you're looking for, a nice brown color but not too burnt, you're gonna add in about a quarter cup of water and stir that so that your browning sauce does not burn. Then you're gonna start adding in your chicken and give it a quick mix. Cover your pot and let your chicken cook for about 10 minutes without you touching it at all. Anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. This step is just so the chicken can start to get its nice brown color. After the 10 minutes has passed, we're going to uncover our pot, give it a nice stir to mix everything together, and then we're going to add in the few tablespoons of ketchup. So if you notice your pot starts to burn at any time while you're cooking your stewed chicken, you can always add a little bit of water. Just be sure to add it a little bit at a time because you do not want to add too much water. So after you add the ketchup, just give your pot a stir to mix everything together, and then we're gonna taste the sauce to see if we need to adjust any of our seasonings. Maybe see if you need to add any more salt or pepper or any of the other seasonings you use to marinate your chicken. Once the flavor is right and your chicken is almost finished cooking, we're going to add in a little bit of cilantro for the last 5 minutes of cooking. And that's how I make my stewed chicken. My chicken took about 40 minutes to cook. You'll know that your chicken is cooked once it's tender and almost falling off the bone. I use chicken wings in this recipe, but you can use any part of the chicken you prefer. And yeah, that's my recipe on stewed chicken. I served mine with some simple rice with lentil peas. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.